this video, I'm trying to repair a very fancy cuckoo clock, and you can notice that the ornamental wood piece had snapped off. I had already applied glue, wood glue, that we had, and now I'm trying to make a clamp, basically using clear packing tape. It does work pretty well for irregular shaped objects such as this ornamental clock piece. So just be careful to not overdo it with the adhesive. Wood glue is pretty strong, probably stronger than the original wood itself, so as long as you can hold it in place long enough, it will do a good job. So the tape does that particularly well, considering that this person needs to bring this clock home in a reasonable time frame, and the tape should hold. Of course, we should keep the tape in place for at least 24 hours so that it really gets a full cure. And of course, you could read the adhesive bottle to make sure that your adhesive follows the same rules. Now, I was looking to try to see if I could get a clamp on here to hold it, but again, because it's just such a oddly shaped item, it's just not going to work. So to get better clamping force and also a little directional, I'm using some more tape to give a little vector force or a little pull force in another direction to really get the two pieces of wood back together. So actually, see, it kind of came apart there, but a little touch up should hold it in place and make it safe for the customer to bring at home. And now I'm just doing a final piece to kind of give the same force on the opposite side too. You'll notice I'm trying to make it pretty tight. This clear packing tape seems to work very effectively, and it's not very tacky, so it's easy to kind of remove off.